Why jewelers swear by this DZQ microscope? 45x zoom plus 360 degrees spring arm equals game changer? Let's be real. Working on fine jewelry isn't just a job, it's an obsession. But nothing kills that passion faster than battling stiff, unreliable tools while straining your eyes under dim, outdated magnification. You know the struggle. Trying to nail precision settings but constantly readjusting unstable equipment, losing focus, literally, and watching hours vanish as you battle eye fatigue and hand cramps. Maybe your current microscope doesn't give you enough zoom or flexibility. Maybe you're feeling stuck, frustrated, and worn out. Jewelry craftsmanship should feel creative, not chaotic. If your tools are slowing you down, you're not alone. But the problem goes deeper than frustration, it's your reputation on the line. Every blurry inspection risks a flawed setting, every shaky adjustment threatens a cracked gem, and every moment lost equals missed deadlines and lost profits. Deadlines loom while your old microscope eats up your energy and productivity. The physical strain of long hours hunched over the wrong tools is creeping toward burnout, and missed opportunities to wow your customers are stacking up. You're a craftsman, not a tech support agent for outdated gear. Why settle for equipment that blocks your brilliance? Time to meet your new studio MVP. The DZQ Multi-Directional Microscope with Spring Bracket. This isn't your grandpa's old-school scope, this is next-gen jewelry precision. Featuring 7x to 45x continuous zoom, a 60 LED ring light, and an ultra-smooth spring bracket with 360 degrees movement, it's purpose-built for jewelers who demand perfection. The long working distance, up to 11.8 inches, gives you freedom to work comfortably while the ergonomic headrest keeps fatigue at bay. DZQ's rugged aluminum alloy stand means serious stability without hogging your workbench. In short, this microscope turns frustration into flawless craftsmanship. With the DZQ microscope, you'll experience crystal-clear magnification, buttery-smooth adjustments, and all-day comfort, whether you're inspecting tiny diamonds or setting intricate micro-inlays. The spring bracket's flexible positioning lets you customize your workflow, and the adjustable LED ring light bathes your workspace in shadow-free brightness. Jewelers worldwide trust DZQ's precision engineering to boost accuracy, confidence, and output. Curious how effortless jewelry work can actually feel? Dive into this video and see why the DZQ ZQ is quickly becoming the industry standard. Want clearer detail, faster results, and happier clients? You're in the right place. Thousands of jewelers have already transformed their studios with the DZQ Multi-Directional Microscope. Why not join them? This isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to next-level craftsmanship. But fair warning. Demand is skyrocketing, and limited stock means waiting could cost you months of lost productivity. Don't let outdated tools hold you hostage. Order your DZQ microscope today, secure your spot at the top of your craft, and turn every piece you touch into pure perfection. Click, buy, and upgrade your artistry now. This is your moment, seize it.